we heard on the scanner there was no way it would miss Greensburg. It was that big.
Went about cooking supper and getting the kids settled in for the evening.
Got online and saw that there was a very bad warning of tornadoes and storms, but then the sirens started going off.
You have a basement, could I go with you to your house?
And then for a moment it got really intense.
At that time the hell was like, I don't know, apple size, maybe baseball.
We laid on top of the kids. I couldn't tell you anything else that I had said or thought in those moments.
The storm was so loud and you could just hear the house ripping apart.
If we had stayed in that room where we were at, I don't know that we would have survived.
I started praying so loud that I don't know if anybody could even hear me because we all had our hands over our ears, but I just was praying and praying, because I wanted us to be okay.
For us, our house was gone from the main floor up.
That just can't be. That just can't be. That our whole town's gone.
But the pickup landed on him while he was in his basement. The time they got the pickup out, it was too late then.
And I could just see the sheer utter horror and panic on their face, and I said, who are you missing? And they named the child that they had no idea where he was at.
Life as we knew it changed in an instant.
Before we went upstairs, we knelt and prayed and just thank God that we've been saved.
We were deeply and profoundly grateful when we realized that we didn't lose a kid. That's amazing. Not a single teenager, not a single child was lost.
I can go back to that night and that feeling of God was there, and I feel it again at church. A lot of times I'll just, again, that feeling will, hey, be quiet, be still, I'm here, and I'll feel it again. I'm excited about the Jesus film coming to our community, Twilight Theater. The Jesus film being shown on Palm Sunday to kick off our Holy Week in our community is just a way that our pastors in our community have, again, helped provide for our needs, and all the churches are working to get their congregations to attend and for us to invite our neighbors, even if they aren't big church attenders, because you never know when you might plant a little spark that flickers a flame and gets someone burning for Christ in their life.
As a pastor in a church, I can see where this movie could really make a difference in somebody's heart language, that they might come to know Christ and have life with Him.
It's been so exciting to finally see this film. It's been a great way to start out our Easter week and the 10 years that we have relied on Jesus through all the devastation that we've had in our community. This has just been a really great weekend.